Mars is one of the most fascinating targets in the search for signs of life because it once held conditions that were remarkably similar to those on Earth. Evidence suggests that rivers, lakes, and even vast oceans covered parts of its surface billions of years ago, creating potentially habitable environments. In addition, mineral deposits formed in the presence of water, traces of geothermal activity, and the detection of organic molecules all point to the possibility that the red planet may have once hosted microscopic life forms. Now, NASA has made an utterly unbelievable discovery, one considered the strongest piece of evidence for life beyond Earth. In today's video, we're going to explore what NASA has found out there. Music, indeed. This could be the news of the century, proving that Earth is not the only planet that has ever supported life in the universe. Mars features a striking surface shaped by billions of years of geological activity. Its characteristic reddish color comes from the abundance of iron oxides in its soil. The planet is home to enormous deserts where shifting dunes, sculpted by Martian winds, stretch across vast regions. These sandy formations gradually change over time, creating intriguing patterns that have been recorded by orbiting probes. The loss of Mars' magnetic field played a crucial role in transforming it into the dry, barren world we see today. Even so, extensive evidence suggests that in the distant past, the planet was much different. Billions of years ago, it is highly likely that Mars contained seas, and satellite imagery has revealed traces of ancient riverbeds. In other words, Mars was once covered in water. Today, however, what we see is a landscape dominated by dryness and a complete absence of liquid water on the surface. The search for life on Mars now strongly relies on rovers, which act as mobile laboratories capable of exploring the Martian terrain in great detail. Unlike orbital probes that can only observe from above, rovers have the ability to directly analyze the soil, rocks, and atmosphere in specific areas. This allows scientists to investigate not only chemical composition, but also microscopic structures that could indicate past or present biological activity. Perseverance, NASA's rover that arrived on Mars in February 2021, is the most advanced machine ever sent to the red planet. It landed in Jezero crater, a location chosen because it was once a lake bed and contains fossil river deltas, environments considered ideal for preserving ancient signs of life. Equipped with high-resolution cameras, spectrometers, and drilling tools, the rover has been searching for biosignatures, chemical, textural, or mineral clues that could indicate past activity by microscopic organisms. One of Perseverance's biggest innovations is its ability to collect and store soil samples and rock fragments in sealed tubes. These samples are expected to be returned to Earth in a future mission. Once they are analyzed in terrestrial laboratories, scientists will be able to investigate their contents far more thoroughly, significantly increasing the chances of detecting complex organic molecules or even indirect signs of life. Even now, its capabilities are already impressive, and this is where Perseverance comes into play, as it has found what is considered the strongest evidence of life so far. A discovery like this has the potential to revolutionize our understanding of Mars and even our place in the universe. Let's break it down. The latest evidence of a possible biosignature on Mars comes from the analysis of a sample collected by Perseverance from an ancient riverbed in Jezero crater. The sample, called Serenite Canyon, was extracted from a rock known as Shiva Falls and shows characteristics that may indicate past biological activity. Although it is not yet a confirmation of life, the data marks a major milestone in Martian exploration and presents scientists with the most convincing clue ever found on the red planet. The rocks analyzed belonged to the Bright Angel Formation, composed of clays in a dried riverbed. On Earth, such materials are known to preserve ancient microbial activity exceptionally well. Additionally, elements such as organic carbon, sulfur, phosphorus, and oxidized iron were detected, all associated with processes that could have provided energy for microscopic organisms. This chemical combination suggests that Mars once had suitable conditions to sustain life. The analysis also revealed colorful patterns and structures, nicknamed leopard spots, associated with specific minerals such as vivianite, a hydrated iron phosphate, and greigite, a form of iron sulfide. On Earth, these minerals are frequently found in environments linked to the decomposition of organic matter and processes mediated by microorganisms. This raises the possibility that biological reactions may have occurred within the Martian sediments. The most significant point is that the simultaneous formation of these materials may reflect electron transfer reactions between organic matter and the environment, a process typical of microbial metabolism, although such reactions can also occur without life. The conditions required for a purely abiotic origin, such as high temperatures or highly acidic environments, do not match the regions studied. This strengthens the hypothesis of a possible biological contribution. Another surprising aspect is the age of the rocks. They are among the youngest studied by the mission so far, contradicting expectations that only very ancient formations would preserve potential signs of life. This suggests that Mars may have remained habitable for longer than previously believed. Despite the excitement, scientists emphasize that claims of life require robust evidence and multiple lines of confirmation. Potential biosignatures must undergo deeper analyses, especially in Earth laboratories once Perseverance's collected samples are returned during future missions. Only then will it be possible to confirm whether the detected minerals and patterns were indeed produced by microorganisms. In any case, we may be witnessing a truly historic moment, possibly answering one of humanity's most profound questions. Did life emerge only on Earth, or did it also flourish on other worlds? The truth is, we are getting closer than ever to understanding this fundamental mystery. And yes, alien life might be right here in our own solar system. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button. It really helps the channel. And if you're not subscribed yet, I invite you to click the subscribe button below. See you next time.